we'll guide you through how to fix Claude not working. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude website. Sometimes, Claude may not work because of browser-related issues, so you need to ensure your browser is fully updated to the latest version. You can do this by going to your browser's settings and checking for updates. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. This can often resolve loading problems caused by outdated or corrupted data. To do this, go to your browser's history and select the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to check the boxes for cached images and files, as well as cookies and other site data. After clearing the cache, close the browser and then reopen it. Now, try accessing Claude again. If the issue persists, try disabling any browser extensions that might be interfering. Go to your browser's extensions or add-ons page and temporarily disable any that you suspect might be causing the problem. After doing this, refresh the Claude page. If Claude still isn't working, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable network. You can try restarting your router or connecting to a different network to see if that resolves the issue. Lastly, if none of these steps work, there might be an issue with Claude's servers. Visit their official status page or social media accounts to see if there are any reported outages or maintenance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.